Hi everyone, welcome to English 1010. This is your professor, Erin Bro. I'm just going to give you a brief overview of our course as well as Canvas in this video. So first, the focus of English 1010 is on expository and informative writing in different genres. What that means for the structure of our course is that we will do 4 projects over the semester. Each will be divided into 3 or 4 weeks, and during that time we will work on the essay in stages. So we will spend time on the process, and you will do various process work to get ready for it. That may include topics or outlining, brainstorming, of course, also workshopping with your classmates' drafts. All of that would be included in possible process work, which means that if you keep up with everything, you won't have a hard time finishing the essay because you're doing a little bit at a time over those few weeks. I want to show you here on Canvas general resources first. So here you're going to have some different resources that I've put for you. A few things for Canvas, like how to upload a file, how to view feedback on an essay, because that's a little bit counterintuitive, so make sure you look at that. I also have a few cheat sheets for you for citation, some peer review, revising and editing tips, as well as some other tools that you can use here in helpful writing resources and tech and college success tools. So some writing program sites that have great handouts. If you're just not quite getting it from what I'm giving you in the course and you want to go and find another reputable source of information for that topic, for example, outlining, then you can go to the helpful writing resources and actually find that on one of the websites that I have listed. Let's scroll down. Now we have week 0 getting started. This is a module that's required by SLCC. So every online course will have this module. You see that you're going to have some different things you can read, course policies and expectations, technology information, and you're going to have a couple of things you're going to have to do here, like the academic integrity quiz, as well as the student orientation to Canvas. And once you finish that, then you'll be done with week 0. Notice that if I click on this little arrow button on the left side of the module, I can actually expand it or I can hide it. Now we get to a week in the course, and this is going to be the same format organization for all of the weekly modules. So I'm going to just show you this one for week 1. You'll notice that it's currently locked. Under here it tells you when it will unlock on August 17th, the first day of class. And then you will have access to everything that is in it. There's always going to be a module intro page for the week. And so you can start with that. And then it's going to show you what you need to do by Monday, right here. Course overview, expectations, about us. You're going to also find some readings right here. These are readings that are going to relate to the forums right here that you will do after reading. So always go in order in the module for each part because each assignment is going to be important, whether it's a reading assignment or a quiz or a forum or turning in an essay. This is in a specific order for you, so it's important for you to follow that. Now let's look at week 2 as well, because this is going to show you the due dates for every week in our class. There are always going to be 2 due dates. Thursday night, you'll have something due, and by Monday night, you'll have something due. If you want to finish everything, early, that's fine. But those are your 2 deadlines for each week. So you always know you've got something due on Thursday and on Monday. And so here it shows, got the intro page, and then it shows you for Thursday, here's what you need to do. You've got 2 readings right here, and then you have a forum. And then for Monday, you have a reading and a forum. 2 more readings, and another forum. Usually you will have 1 forum due for Thursday and 2 forums due for Monday. That's the usual. Workshop of rough draft weeks, those will be a little bit different. But otherwise, you've got this consistent formatting and you've got this consistent set of due dates for every single week. So that will hopefully help you keep on track for the semester. You also have this to-do list here on the right-hand side of your Canvas page. And this shows you what is upcoming, tells you how many points it is, tells you when exactly it's due. You can click on it and go directly to that. I want to caution you, however, to not click onto them and then immediately do the assignment here. Why? Because the readings that are required, the readings are not in your to-do list. They're not going to pop up in your to-do list from your calendar. All right? Only the forums that have a due date attached to them will. But remember, you're always going to have some readings that are going to relate to the forum. And you won't be able to do the forum adequately if you haven't done the readings beforehand. So don't jump straight into forums. Make sure that you follow the actual modules so that you are doing everything you need to in preparation for those graded forums. I'll be able to tell whether you've done the reading or not. And of course, if you want to do well in the course and set yourself up for success, then following each of these things that I'm giving you is going to be really important. If you ever need to go back to the syllabus, you can click here, syllabus, in the left-hand course menu. You always have the syllabus as well as the SLCC policies here for you. Again, here it also shows you things that are due on certain days. But remember, just like in the to-do list, this course summary does not include the readings that are required. So don't jump in straight from this page. Make sure you go through the modules. So you will have 4 projects as well as the forums that are going to make up your grade in the course. I think that you're going to find the course beneficial. The assignments are all going to be very different and unique. And so you'll learn lots of different skills. You might refresh on some skills that you've done before, of course. You may learn some brand new things. Just keep an open mind and be willing to do your best. Make sure to make use of all of the resources. Don't skip any. And communicate when you need to. And then we'll have a successful semester. So I look forward to seeing you in the forums.